This thing is so dirty. Decided to take it to the truck wash. Even though I gotta wait in line to the dirty truck. So, it's not too bad here. Usually it's backed up all the way to the street and in the street. So it's not too bad. See all this dirt? Wheels are dirty. This is all dirty. Major dirt. Guess I want all this stuff cleaned. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. He'll look a lot better when he's after he's washed. So this is the dirty truck. I'll show you it clean after it's cleaned up.